Guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr.M.MOORTHI, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about the principles of lean manufacturing. So, in the previous lecture series, we have discussed about the difference between conventional manufacturing and lean manufacturing process, and what are the impacts of lean manufacturing in the any industry. And then now we will discuss about the different principles of lean manufacturing process. To take or if you're going to implement the lean manufacturing in the any industry or production industry, so we have to have these 5 principles in order to achieve the higher efficiency or effective production in the industry. So where the lean thinking to the the lean process or lean production, where the lean thinking is to banish the waste and create wealth in your corporation or organization. So that is all the lean thinking process. So if you have for the lean manufacturing or the lean process or implementation in the industry, so we have 5 principles. First one is the value the customer, where what the customer or needs and what is their needs, so that we have to identify from the customer perspective, that is the value in the customer. And then second one is value stream mapping, and the third one is the flow. We have to arrange or to set the order of flow. And then fourth one is the process, that is the full process. And then fifth one is to attain the perfection or to get the perfection. So to while implementing the above 4 principles, so automatically we will get the fifth called the perfection. So first one is the identify the value from the customer perspective. So the value is created by the producer and it is defined by the customer. So that is what the lean manufacturing process is. You have to produce or manufacture the product based on the customer demand and then customer requirement. So that value is created by producer and then it should be defined by the customer. So the company should think from the customer perspective in order to what they require and then what they demand, so that we can make the process or the production so that the customer will get benefited and automatically the industry get benefited by means of to minimizing the waste, and then to like inventory, manpower, raw materials, so by means of eliminating the waste, and then automatically we will improve the efficiency or the effectiveness of the industry. And the second one is map the value, or we can call it as a value stream mapping. So while receiving the what is called the requirement or the demand from the customer, so that is what the empathy will play the major role. So we know we have the design thinking process. In the design thinking, the first phase is the empathy. So we have to think from the customer point of view, and then we can take what is their needs, what is their issues with the existing product. So that is what the empathy plays the major role. While getting the basic needs from the customer, that is following the empathy, so we can go for the defined phase. That in the defined phase, you have to map the basic requirements for in order to produce the what the customer needs. So that is what the value stream mapping process are the principle. And then third one is to create the flow. So you can take it as that creating the flow means you can take it from the ideal case also. So what are the to eliminate functional barriers and identify ways to improve lead time. So this aids in ensuring the process smooth from the time and in order to receiving to the delivery. So flow is critical to the elimination of waste. So you have to set the order in order to make the effective products. And then fourth one is establishment of the pull system in the manufacturing industry. So the pull is the process, that is we have different types of process called pull and then push. So where in the lean process we are using the pull process for to make the effective production. So that production or full process is the process is based on the demands from the customer. And then whereas another type of process that also have push process, that is the industry is forecasted by means of they producing the products and then they forcing the customer to buy the product what the industries are already manufactured. And then the pull system is entirely different from the push system. And then finally, by following the above four principles, and then we will get the perfection or the continuous improvement. This is defined by the Kaizen. This is one kind of tools that is used in the lean manufacturing process. So the lean manufacturing based on the concept of continually striving for perfection, which entail targeting the root causes of quality issues and then filtering out and then eliminating waste across the value stream. So this is this is the way to achieve the perfection in the any kind of industry. Thank you.